How y'all doing? This JLC Pigeon Lock. Today I just decided to make a video about my parakeets, lovebirds, and cockatoos. Well, hopefully you enjoy it. Yeah, I got some lovebirds in here with these parakeets. I got two right there, and there's another one over there, an all yellow one. I was just feeding them some bread. They love when you give them bread. And you can see, look, I just crumbled it up for them. Just lay it all right here, and then they just come and the lovebirds like it. I've gotten a few babies that were born. I also got like let me see if I can. I think I got some baby ones in these boxes. I'm just trying to remember which boxes. I think this box right here, they have yeah, they got a lot of eggs in there. Same over here. There's the mom right there. Looks like she has a lot of eggs in there. She's just has them all over the place. But I wasn't sure. I think in here, this is where there was some baby ones. I'm trying to remember which box it was. There's a mom right here. She don't seem to have anything. Or maybe the babies already came out. Oh yeah, there they are. There's one of them over there. Yeah, he's already big. That's one of the baby ones right there. And there's a couple other ones. Oh, there's the other one right there. Oh no, that's not it. There he is. See him right there? Has all those different colors. Yeah, that's one of the other baby ones. But yeah, these are all the little parakeets that I got. They're just hanging out here. Eating the bread I gave them. That's one of the baby ones right there. It has like 3 different colors. Blue, yellow, white, and black. 4 different colors. So yeah. They're just in here chilling. They're kind of low on food, so I might have to feed them too. Yeah, let's go check out the lovebirds and see what they're up to. And here's the lovebirds right there. Same with them. They're should be like their breeding time. They're like kind of wild and crazy. They're not like the parakeets where you just give them bread and they start flocking. So I just put their bread right here. And then the rest of it, I'm just gonna throw it on the floor so they'll come and get it. Yeah, there's the lovebirds. I got all kinds of different color ones. I think I may have some that are sitting on eggs. I'm not sure. But I put like some hay and some palm tree in here so they can start making their nest. Lovebirds are more, they're not as friendly as the parakeets, but they're almost there, you know. I just like having all these different color ones. All these yellow ones right here, they come from those two pair right there. That yellow one and then that orange lemon yellow one. They're the parents of all the yellow ones and then the one white one over there. They just go crazy when you try to get them. But yeah. Well, let's go check out the cockatoos. Cockatoos are a little bit more, they're a little bit more friendly. We'll see what they are up to. Let them be right here so they can eat some of this, of that bread I gave them. But yeah, go check those out next. Here we are with the cockatoo. They're just in here chilling. Same thing with them. They like bread. I feed them a little bit of bread too. Just crumble it all up right there, and once they see it, they start going for it. You can see them already. There they are. They're enjoying the bread. The rest of them are just hanging out here. They just like to hang out. And I have to cover them up too because it gets pretty cold. Like at night it's starting to get a little chilly. And some of them have babies, and sometimes they'll end up dying because it's too cold. Like right here, look, I got 2 babies in here. There was 3, but one of them ended up dying. But there's 2 left. I think if it starts getting too cold, I'm gonna have to take them in and hand feed them. Hopefully, they survive. I already lost 2, and it hasn't even gotten that cold. It's because the parents, they don't warm them up, and there's like, the more there is in a nest, the more they can keep themselves warm. The less there is, they won't be able to keep themselves warm. So there was 3, but one ended up dying, and I don't know why. I think it got too cold. And then the parents are just out here. They'll eat. They'll go feed the babies. If not, I have to take them in, and I got like a little thing, keep them like a little blanket, keeps them warm until they get nice and feathered, and I just put them in a little cage. Looks like they're all over there, all ready to eat. They're just hanging out. Well, if you guys, you guys enjoy watching these bird videos, I'm not a pro at making videos, but, I just like to make them and just show you guys what kind of birds and animals I have. I like to have every kind of animal, just to enjoy it and pass the time. You know how it is. But yeah, I'll show you guys my diamond doves next, and you guys, please give it a like and a subscribe and share my video. I'll show you guys the diamond doves next. Well, here's the diamond doves. I have a lot of diamond doves. A lot of them were bred today. I've lost a couple. I think there's like 2 or 3 that had died. But that's about it. They've had a lot of babies. That's the thing about these diamond doves. They reproduce really quick. See right here, there's 1 baby right there. There's 2 babies right there in that nest. You can see them right there. And then I think over here, there's a couple eggs over here. I don't know if they're still good. And then over here, I have a couple other ones. Yeah, I think they have little eggs too. I don't know if you can see them right there. And then the rest of them just hanging out all over there. Then I got them button quails. And they also like to have a little bit of bread themselves. I just like crumbled up their bread right here. And there's the diamond doves. Yeah, they'll just sit there and eat bread too. Look at them, they're all flying down. I don't know how many I have in here. I probably have at least like more than 30. I started off with, I think it was about 8 pairs. So about 16 of them. And I've sold a couple. I've sold maybe about 12. And then there's probably one of them got out and I was trying to catch it, but it stuck around I haven't seen it in like a week or so. So I don't know if it's still around or it just flew off. Usually they stay around. It's just kind of hard to spot them. And once they're out, they're kind of hard to catch. You gotta have like a little cage and catch it. But once you catch it, you can put them back with the rest of them. They're kind of like pigeons and doves. They'll stay around. They're probably still out here somewhere. I just haven't seen it. And there they are. So yeah, I know I scared them off. So yeah, I'll just have a little bit more bread. Just crumbled it up for them right here. And yeah, there's the diamond doves. you guys like diamond doves or parakeets or any kind of bird, let me know down in the comments and give me a like and a subscribe, and I appreciate. And I'll keep making more videos and show you guys how everything's going on. But there's the diamond doves. You guys just gotta be careful they don't fly out. They're just all over the floor now. And there's the little kikirikis out here. They wanted some bread too. So yeah, if you guys enjoy my video, you know, please give me a like, a subscribe, and share my video. And hopefully I get more followers and more subscribers. And we'll see you guys next time right here at JLC's Pigeon Loft.